Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a current backup and a stable internet connection so you can restore later. Open Settings and tap your name, then choose Sign Out. This removes the device from the current iCloud. When prompted, decide whether to keep local copies of contacts, calendars, photos, and keychain. Keep if you need offline access, delete if you'll rely entirely on the new account. Once signed out, the phone is ready to accept a different Apple ID. Now you sign in. Open Settings and tap Sign In to your iPhone, then enter the new Apple ID and password you want to use. You'll often receive a two-factor authentication code on a trusted device or phone number. Enter it to verify why the account needs protection. After signing in, you'll be offered iCloud service toggles. Turn on the features you want, like photos and backup, to sync data. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled for device security. Finish by confirming iCloud settings. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to check storage and sync status so everything updates. Create a test item, a photo, contact, or note, and verify it appears on iCloud. Com to confirm proper syncing. If something fails, try the basic fixes. Sign out and sign back in, restart the phone, or reset network settings to clear connectivity glitches. If prompted about activation lock, make sure the previous Apple ID credentials are available to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.